shooting with a SANDMARC lens. I believe it makes it 58mm telephoto. Okay, we got a cyclist. Okay, very interesting highlights. I want those highlights to kind of separate them right here. So right there, yes. Well, I'm just realizing that this thing flares now. The lens helps it flare. Productive with these lights would have done something really cool. I find it like, I think it was Evan Ramsey. He said photography is like any sport, you gotta just warm it up. So okay. Alright, I have to go through this building. I don't even know what it is, but oh, I gotta go through this. Okay, come on. Come on. Now that building is interesting, but I want it more isolated. I'm gonna cross. I'm gonna go straight. Or to have a cooler frame. I think I want those two buildings. There might be something there. This looks dope. This will probably look cool. Which, that already looks pretty cool. But this is what we're here for. SD skyline. Shoot a wide landscape. Alright guys, that's all we got for today. Make sure to stay making photos and have fun.